Hey, what's up, everybody? Okay, I'm gonna do two sets of groups. I'm gonna do one group with my Pro Sport 22 cal, and I'm gonna do one group with my Hatsan 30 cal. Right here for my garage, or for sticks, got my Pro Sport pellets, got my Hatsan pellets, 30 grain. You can see it's Hatsan. My Pro Sport. For some reason, it loves these. Put number one, Venom. They're great pellets, man. I don't know who makes them. I think it might be a copy of H&N, but they do such a great job with consistency. Mind blowing, bro. All these pellets is as if they're cleaned, wiped down, polished, and balanced. It's crazy. There it is. I'm gonna walk us out. Right there. One step for the trigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And I'm gonna go over what I just did a little earlier, but I couldn't see the end result. So I'm gonna put it in my window so you guys will be able to see it again. Just gonna go right in that window. Again, there's my feet, target. Oh, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here in Virginia, the pollen is starting to kick in. It's gonna be kicking my butt. 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20-yard video. Show it nice and clean. See if we could zoom in. I also want to prop this up so it doesn't fall down. Come on. Come on. Got it. Sounding good. How about the zoom? That's all we got. Okay, so you know what? I'll do the Hatsan first, and then I'll do the Pro Sport 22 second. Hatsan is for sale. Pro Sport isn't. I love that gun. Be right back. The Hatsan is just a little bit too much, man. That cock and effort, it's at least 55 pounds. And I don't have a gym membership. And I don't feel like doing it in my backyard. Be right back. You should still be able to hear me. This sucker boasts. I'm using a 44 grain JSPs off of sticks, 30 yards. I'll do 3 shot groups. 3 each shot groups. Here comes the first shot. Let's get zoomed in. One. Two. Three. Mr. Hatsan, 30 yards. You know what? I gotta take a look at that group because that looks like one single hole for me. And that's just a little bit ridiculous. I mean, I've gotten good with the Hatsans. It's a little bit more kick than I appreciate, but listen, man, these Hatsans are great, especially the 30 cals. They're just slow enough to keep it consistent, and they're just hard enough to give you a nice hit. I think this one's shooting at like, it's not even max, it's like 29 foot-pounds with the 44s. And I might be at 30, 31 etching with the 50 grain, but it's still a beautiful group. Hold on a second. Let's get a zoom on this, bro. Temperature's dropping again. I don't know where's summer, man. Hopefully this spring is the beginning of a real spring and not a winter spring. Look at this 30-yard group, bro. Anybody who knows targets knows targets. That's a single hole, bro. That is bonkers. Oh, Mr. Woody Woodpecker's out here. Got beautiful birds, beautiful animals out here. But nope, when it's time to hunt, we go hunting. When it's not time, we just enjoy. Look at this. Single shot group. That is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, now let me put it on the, we're gonna do the, what is it, Air Arms Pro Sport. I'll go back to the 20 yards away video from the garage. See if I can prop this up again. Got it falling. The guys over in Long Island always said, hey, Ro, you know, you're a great shot, man. You should do some videos. I'm like, I don't take the time to do videos. I would rather just shoot. But this one from my garage is 30. The one that fell over is 40. There's 50 in between. That brick out there, there's a brick out there. Where's my finger? I won't be able to see it. But there's a brick out there showing 60. And the dove with the targets that I received from Tom Wade, thank you very much, sir. That's 65 yards. And the Pro Sport takes those things down, like, without a doubt. I got my wind flag out there. That's about 72, roughly. Those spinners are around 80. I have something in a tree at 100. And then way out yonder, all the way straight back at the tree, you see that little red dot? That's 120 yards that I have. But I don't go out that far. Not at all. Just as a marker, 120 yards. So anything will fall back further, would roll another, I don't know, 30 yards before anything happens. I stop with the spinners right at about 80 yards. So let's do the Pro Sport. I wish this thing would zoom in. These iPhones aren't that great. I have the older iPhone. Okay, I'll pick a different spot. Shot one. Let's go to shot two. Little shift up by me. It's all right. This one jumps off the sticks more than Otson. The Otson's a lot heavier, so she settles in, and as you see, it's not on ground, it's on concrete, so the sticks are shifting just a little bit. Third shot, third and last shot. Okay, do the same hole as the first one did. The second one was just a stick shift, but it would have been the same result. One whole group at 30 yards. Let's get out over there. Hope it's still recording. Yes, it is. 10 minutes, not that bad. Try to keep the video a little bit short. This will be one of my first videos ever. So, I gotta start getting some equipment so I can record all of this stuff and show you guys as much fun as I'm having 3.5 acres to play with and have fun with. So, this is off sticks and one of the shots shifted. Let me zoom back out. I'm 6 foot, 230 pounds, that's my pinky. And this is the one that did 1, 2, 3. But that second shot shifted, the stick shifted just a little bit. It usually just does one whole groups, but I'll still take this. Less than a pinky. You guys know the size, these are 6-inch targets. And this is the one whole group with the hot sun. The reason why it does this normally is because it's a heavy sucker. And that stick doesn't shift whether it's on concrete or grass. Great guns, man. Great guns.